In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Apple ID password and what to do if you've forgotten your password. So what we need to do is first come over to the settings menu and then click on your profile name at the very top. From here, select sign in and security and then just simply select change password. Now it may ask you to enter your iPhone passcode, to just go ahead and type it in. And now from this window, you'll be able to change your Apple password. So your new password must be at least 8 characters in length. It must include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. Now if you're unable to get to this screen because you forgot your previous password, then what you'll need to do instead is head over to an internet browser, and from here you just need to type in appleid.com. This will redirect you to this website, account.apple.com, and then you need to scroll down slightly and select sign in. And sometimes it may work just using your Face ID. However, if you're unable to sign in using this method, then what you need to do is scroll down slightly and select forgotten your password, and then from here it's going to send a password recovery link to your email account. Now obviously once you've recovered your password, you'll then be able to change it through the method that I just explained. But it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your password on your Apple ID. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.